So I just closed on this deal. This is a duplex, my fourth one, and I'm going to share with you how I knew this was a steal. We absolutely stole this property, and how did I know that was going to be the case, right? So, brand new construction. I would live here, okay? The place is very nice. Take a look at the kitchen. Love the white countertops. So here's the story, okay? When the builder called me up, which I bought another place from this builder, okay, he said, listen, I got another duplex that I'm going to put together if you're a buyer for it. And I said, yes. How much? And here's the price he gave me, $315,000. So I bought this place for $315,000. Now, in the world of rentals, there's the 1% rule, which is a rule of thumb that says if you can bring in 1% of the purchase price in monthly income, it is a definite deal that is going to cash flow, and you should do the deal assuming it's in a good location. So just to give you some quick math, $315,000 times 0.01 equals $3,150 monthly income, and I need to do that between two units because it's a duplex. That means I got to rent this place for at least $1,575 per unit. I have another duplex here that's rented for $2,000, and I have another duplex in the same area that's rented for $1,800 aside, right? So the point is that how likely is it that I get $1,575 a unit? Very likely. So we're going to put this on the market for probably $1,750 a unit. Hope to exceed the 1% rule, which is going to just absolutely gush cash flow. Even if we get it at $1,575 a unit, which I think is very doable if you just look at this place, brand new construction, we're going to be looking at the 1% rule for sure. Let's keep going further. So just to share with you what the rate of return is going to be, $1,575. The mortgage, by the way, is $1,900. All right. So let's say we rent it for $1,750. Times 2, it's $3,500 a year. I'm sorry, a month. Times 12, it's $42,000 for the year. Let's just do some quick math here. So $42,000 for the year. The debt payment on this is $1,900. All right. So what did I say? $1,750 times 2 minus the debt payment, the escrow, everything $1,900 minus the property management, okay, and minus the lawn care service. That's $1,275 a month times 12. That means it's going to bring in $15,300 a year. And when I divide that by the down payment, okay, $15,300, I put 30% down, which is about $100,000, $105,000. So we're going to divide that by 105. That's a 14.5% return. 14.5% return on a new construction duplex is pretty much unheard of. Ridiculous cash flow, ridiculous rate of return, which is why when he called me for this, I said, absolutely sign me up for the deal. We stole this property. If you're interested in learning the game, onestepprep.net. If you're interested in getting invested, get your dollars to work with mine, MunozCapital.com. You don't want to deal with getting the loan. You don't want to deal with finding the property. You don't want to deal with the closing, with the tenants, with the toilets, with all the stuff that comes later on. MunozCapital.com. Send me a link there. Send me a message. Get your money invested with mine, or if you want to do the deal on your own, onestepprep.net, and I'll show you how to do what I'm doing so you can get your cash flow right. Cash Flow Joe Money Munoz. We'll see you in the video.